Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll cover a new topic inside Go High Level in which you can utilize rooms and equipment feature and create service calendar according to the businesses. So suppose there is a service-based businesses. For example, there is a saloons, there may be restaurants. So they need a certain utilization of their resources. For that, we can do is we can create certain rooms and equipments that ensures their optimum utilization of the resources. So what is this service based calendar? So this is the new feature inside this Go High Level. I will share how you can create service based calendar and what is this rooms and equipments, how we can create inside that Go High Level. So we will see everything step by step, one by one. So before coming to the main topic, we will discuss the basic terminologies. What is this rooms and what is this equipment? So first of all, what is the definition of the room? Rooms are the specific place within the business where services are conducted. For example, it may be a massage room or salon chair where the person is doing the services. For example, in a salon, there is a four chairs. So on the four chairs, we can have separate bookings on different chairs. And there may be lots and lots of services for like massage. There may be uh, there is uh, shaving and a haircut, any kind of thing that are the services. For example, in restaurant also, there may be food order, there may be online orders, there may be table bookings, all these things. These are the services that we can create and we can have a separate booking for each one. So this is called the rooms where the services are conducted. And if there is a limited resources, for example, there is four chairs only, and people are at particular time, they are rushing towards that saloon, and uh, all the four chairs are booked. But when there is a off period, there is a many times two chairs are left. So for optimized utilization of resources, what we can do is we can book a calendar for each chair, so that whenever this chair is free, people can book that. So this is the very good way of the service utilization. Okay. So now coming to this equipment, what are the equipments? Equipment are the special tools and devices used by businesses to provide their services. For example, in salon, there is a hyperfacial massage, and inside restaurant, there may be barbecue equipment that used in fry pan, etc. These are the things that you can do. Now, how to use this room and equipment? So we are clear with the rooms and equipment and how to use this rooms and equipment. So we can create all these rooms and equipment inside this Go High Level. We will see this one by one. Then we will see what are the service calendar, how we can create that according to the services. Now we will see this creating the rooms, all these thing. Then service calendar setups. So one by one we will see all these things. We will also see this forms and payment, how we can create inside the calendar. Also we can collect the payment of booking also. Suppose we want to book a table, so I want to collect $100 for one booking, so we can do that setup for payment. We can integrate all this thing payment, and we can have customized notification also. Suppose someone books it, so we will get notification. We can create workflow around that also. Any kind of workflow is possible inside this Go High Level. We can customize this utilization of means calendar appearance. We can customize it. We will see how we can create service menu. So this is for example, in restaurant there is or any services, there are list of services, and suppose I want to take 3 to 4 services of that particular things. So every services has particular cost, and I can add to my cart, and I will do the checkout, and I will have all the services done. Okay. So that's way we can do that inside this service menu. So without wasting much time, so first of all, we will see what are the key highlights of this calendar. It is we can link staff also availability. We will see how uh, we can assign a staff for each services, and we can change the slot durations, and we can have multiple booking services, enables booking multiple services or participants. So all these things we will discuss one by one. So first of all, before creating, we have to go to one of your sub account. Inside this sub account, there is calendars. Inside this calendar, you can go to the calendar settings. So inside this calendar settings, yeah, you can see here, there is a new feature. You can see here, calendars, groups, service menu, rooms, equipment. So these are rooms and equipments, and there, this is the service menu, and this is the groups. So first of all, you have to have the services created inside this calendar. Whatever the services you want to offer, it should be created inside the calendar. For example, I will apply the filter so you can understand here. There is calendar types. You apply filter here, services. So once you apply this services, so all these services, there are 4 services that I have created, and I am taking example of a restaurant. This is called a Vrindavan restaurant. So Vrindavan restaurant is having the online delivery service. There is a table booking service. Now there is special table with private space. Suppose there are many tables and there is a private space table where families are coming, they have some privacy, they like that. So this is the premium type of chair, table. So, and there is a equipment, barbecue equipment that is used for heating up the foods. Okay, you can say it's like it's fire that heats up the food. So like that, this is a barbecue equipment. So we the person, it is available online also. People who wants to use inside their house, they can use this barbecue equipment on rent. Like that, this is, they are servicing, they are offering the services. This is a fictional type of services. You can have any kind of services, whatever suits to your businesses. So for whatever use it suits for the businesses, because this is lying alone and they want to make some profit out of it. So they had decided to make this equipment also for the rent, so they get extra revenue. Like that, they have included extra equipment inside this calendar. So they can, a person can book this equipment whenever they need it. Okay, like that you can create it here. This special table created, then table booking. This is normal table booking, and this is the online delivery. These are the 4 services inside this Vrindavan. We, how we can create that calendars, you can see here, this is the calendars. Once you create the calendar, you have to add the calendars inside the group. So I have 2 groups inside. This is one of, this is one my business, AI automated biz sales agency, which is having 2 calendar inside. And Vrindavan restaurant, I have shown you 4 calendars inside here. Okay, 4 calendar, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So like that, we can see here, uh, 4 calendars are inside this, and this is the service menu. Once you have your services ready, so for example, table booking, and there is online deliveries. These are the 2 main services. And suppose I want to copy the link, I can copy the link here, permanent link or schedule link. So if I copy this link and I will open it in the new tab, so you can see here how does this service menu looks like. So we will discuss how you can create that service menu also. So once you open here, you can see here the table booking. So there are 1, 2, and 3 types of services that are inside this table booking. So number 1 service is special private chair. It is of $200, and table booking, normal table booking is of $100, and barbecue equipment is of $10. It is on rent. So like that, suppose someone takes this one, yeah, here book and add services, and then again they book the barbecue equipment. So like that, the cost will be $200 for 1 hour. So like that, they can continue and do the payment of $200, and that's the thing they can do here. So this is one of the services. Like that, you can have another services. You can create multiple services here. You can copy this permanent link here, and you can paste it here. So like that, what are these online deliveries? So online deliveries are barbecue equipments are online, and suppose some foods are there, so they are delivering foods for that delivery charges $5 like that, they are taking it. So person who wants to book it, they can book it and they can order according to their needs and do the payment of the bill. So this is the thing they can utilize. So what is this rooms and equipment, and how you can create the service calendar? So we will see one by one. So first of all, we will see this rooms. So rooms are the place where businesses are done. For example, table number 3, table number 2, table 1 is the special table. So service associated with this table booking, and this is the special table with private space. So this is the thing, and you want to create it here, you can create here also. So you can add the capacity also. You can name the name this is as, for example, this is table number table 5, table 5. So you can add description normal table, table. So you can select the calendar. So here we will select the table booking calendar. There is online delivery also, there is special table also, there is a barbecue equipment. So right category is the table booking, because it is table booking and it is created. So once it is created, you can see here the table is created. Now it is associated with table booking. So once we will open here, uh, we will see it later. Before this, we will see this equipment, how we can create the equipment. For example, this is barbecue equipment. Now I want to add a fry pan for doing fry also. Fry pan. So suppose the person who wants to eat fish fry, they can do the self-service and do fry on this like that they want to do. So they can do that. So here is self-service service. So like that they can do here, and they can add the quantity. For example, there is 3 quantity, and suppose one is out of service, is there is one is not working, so it will be automatically be reduce the quantity. So only 2 bookings are allowed from for this equipment. So we will select the right category of the calendar, that is barbecue equipment. Okay. So we will select this barbecue equipment, special table with private space, table booking, online delivery. So we will select this one and we will create here. So this one is created. Now coming to this service menu. So where we can create a new service menu also. It's very simple. So for example, a table booking is there. This is special private table. I confirm that I want to receive all this thing. And here you can see here we can enable this adding guest. We can enable multiple service selection, and we can enable the staff service selection. So we can here we can add the services. If you scroll down here inside this, you can select the services, you can deselect the services, and you can because we have 4 calendars, so there is only 4 things are selected. So according to that, it will be adjusted. So this is the table bookings menu. Okay, table booking menu we have seen here. This is the table booking menu. So once we refresh it here, you can see here. This is the private space. This is all this thing. Now I want to change it here. For example, I want to add online delivery, for example, and want to add this one also. So once I save that, so all the 4 things will be inside here. So I will refresh it here. So it will be all the 4 equipments are here. So now we can book that thing also. Now we will, this is done. Now we will close it here. Similarly, we can do for this online services also. So online services also, we have seen this link. If you want to edit it here, we will see here edit, and this is online deliveries. So whatever this online things are there, we can enable the guest, we can select the services, we can arrange the services. So this is the thing that we can do here. So here you can see I have selected two things so that it is showing only two things. So this is the way which you can uh, do this thing. So suppose I want to create another, so I will create a new service menu. For example, uh, I want to create a service menu for mm, example, it is a self service. So self service, it is for those who want to cook themselves. So we can add the URL link. We can copy it here also. Copy, and I will paste it here. So you have to be specific that there should not be any space here. So it will be, so this is the customized calendar, self-service. So this is the thing, and here you can enable the guest, you can add multiple things, and you can save it here. And you can select the services, what are the services which you want to add here. So all four calendars you can select this equipment, and and online. So you want only one thing only. So you will just select that, add your services, arrange your services. It is not here. So we can save it and we can close it here. So here you can see here one more menu has came here. Now we can copy this self services and we can copy the link here, copy this scheduling link, or you can copy this permanent link. So it will have only one thing here. So you can see here. So this is the thing that you can do here, and you can book it here, and you can add the payment detail also. So I will share you how you can do that. So inside this calendar, so for example, you want to for table booking, you want to increase this, or you can customize this. So here you can see this is the option of customization, inside which you can add your logo, or you can add any image here. You can change this hexa code, and you inside this room and equipment here also you can select this equipment also. You can select this thing also. So like that you can change everything. Here you can add the notification, who should receive this notification. Your contact should receive this. Your assigned staff should and additional email. If you want to add, you can add it here. And for example, your forms and payment. So you can add change the amount here. So I am taking this $100. You can add $2300 like that. You can add anything, and you can save it here. Like that you can change everything. You have you can change your availability also, and you can change the service details. You can have the logos, and you can change the team members. You can add multiple team members inside this, and this is it. So this is very simple. You can do anything inside this Go High Level, and you can create multiple groups, and you can add the multiple groups inside your service menu. So this is it for today's video. Hope you like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.